Check it out, guys. I got a SSL 4000E by Brainworx coupon for 49 bucks. And I'm going to check it out. So, go to Plugin Alliance. Check it out. Brainworx BX Console SSL E Channel. Usually $349, now $149, but I got a coupon for 49 bucks. SSL sound. Yeah, Brainworx pretty cool. I've got the BX Townhouse Compressor. It's really killer for parallel drum compression, and I use the SSL E Channel from Waves every day that I mix, and I'm excited about this E Channel for 49 bucks because usually it's like 100 bucks, and I always love a good deal. So over here it says try it for free. To start 14-day fully functional trial, simply download and run the installer on this page and activate this plugin from within your DAW using plugin. So I already signed in up here, and I click download, and we've got an installation manager right here. So if you have an Apple, click on that, but I have a Windows machine. So, and over here is the BX Console installer, and I'm going to use the 32-bit because I believe that's going to use less memory because my machine's kind of old. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to save this file. Click OK. Up here in the right upper corner of the window, there's a little arrow. You can click on that and click on that. Opens this zip file. So if I open, let's see, let's try this again. So if click here, open the containing folder. I've got the BX console here. If you right click on it, because it's a zip folder, and should be able to extract it. Actually, I already downloaded this, but it looks like it's gonna crash on me. So let's come back to that in a second. So we've got the SSL E Channel, 49 bucks. So if I open that containing folder, open the containing folder, Okay. So anyways, after we unzip it, we can install it. So if I double click on it, and a little window came up there that said, do you want to install it? I said yes. So it says, welcome to BX Console SSL Setup Wizard. And click next. Accept the agreement after you read it real fast. And let's see, we've got VST 2.4 and VST 3. That's what I'm going to use. I don't have native DSP AAX on my Windows. I believe that's for Pro Tools if you have that, I think. And I'm going to say next. And I'm going to create a shortcut, start menu folder. it and click next. And I'm installing the 32-bit version because I don't want it to burn up a lot of memory because my computer only has 4 gigs of RAM. So finish, it installed it. So I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to open up a session of Studio One. Okay, I've got a session of Studio One open, and let's check it out. I'm gonna open it up. So we got Plugin Alliance here, and we've got the BX Console SSL 4000E. Woohoo! Let's check it out. Open it up. Activation required. Click to activate. So activation required. Fully functional 14-day trial available. To purchase a license, please visit our online store, pluginalliance.com. So I'm not gonna buy it yet. If I like it, I'll probably buy it. So I'm gonna activate my licenses and activate, and I'm gonna put the 14-day demo license. Yes. Ooh, look at that. Crazy. Check it out. So we've got a channel of the SSL E Channel on the overhead. Let's check it out. Get boost some 8K. Nice. Can sweep the high mids. See what we got. We got about 4K. It sounds a little nice in there. Let's take out some of this mud in the low mid filter. A little bit. Take that out. Let's boost a little bit of the lows. See how this compressor sounds. It's a cool compressor, the high pass filter. This thing sounds killer, man. Got the low pass filter. Let's try it on the kick drum. We got kick drum, add a SSL E channel on it. Let's see, boost some 8K. And let's see what we got in there. Take that out a little bit. Boost the mid filter. That 800 is just a big standing wave in this room, so boost the low end. About 70 hertz. Let's see what this compressor does. Adjust the input gain a little bit. Sounding pretty good. Nice. Okay. So we got bass guitar here. Let's check it out. Put it on the bass guitar. BX E Channel on the bass guitar. Let's try it. Turn our input gain a little bit. Just boost the highs. Boost 8K a little bit. See what we got in the mids. Boost that a little bit. Low mids. Yeah, 2K is kind of nasty. Boost 100 hertz or so. High pass filter, low pass filter. Let's check out the compressor. our filters. See what the compressor does. This thing's already way compressed. Let's try our random channel and see what we can find. Number 7 was cool. Let's try number 7. Number 7's always lucky. So that's without, and that's with it in. A little bit too much mids. A little bit too much. Okay. See what else we got here. Put the VX Townhouse compressor on the drum bus. Sustains that. You can compress the crap out of it. Anyways, that's the SSL channel. SSL E Channel by Brainworx. This thing's pretty killer, man. $49. I think I'm gonna buy it. Even though I got a bunch of plugins, but you know, I bought the Townhouse compressor, and it's killer. It's a killer compressor, you know. And after I bought that, and I'm looking at this SSL E Channel, Brainworx makes some really good stuff. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. What else could we do with this? We got the overhead. Let's try the different random channels. 40 for that. Random channel for kick. 32. Let's try for the bass. Got an analog channel, huh? So anyways, this thing's really killer. The guitar amp, random now, what was that, 7? See, we got a lead guitar in here. Can add channel for that. See for the solo guitar here. Kind of sweep around here, see what we can find. So I filled out all of my information, payment information on pluginalliance.com, and I just have to click place order for the SSL E Channel, $49. Click place order. And wait, we're waiting. Order complete. Awesome. So I already downloaded, and I think it'll be automatically activated. Anyways, it's pretty killer, man. So I recommend the SSL E channel. It's really killer, and you guys have a lot of fun mixing and recording. And thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks.